inspection and diagnosis, we found a crack in the collector box, causing a significant water leak, and the inducer motor bearings were worn out, leading to a loud humming noise. Disassembly. Step by step, we disassembled the furnace components and removed the old motor and damaged collector box. Problem identified. Here's the crack in the collector box, highlighted with a screwdriver, the main culprit behind the water leak. Repair process. Reconnected electrical wires, air hoses, and drain hoses for a secure and efficient setup. Need HVAC repairs or maintenance? Trust Home Rangers HVAC to keep your home comfortable